Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti Q50 battery. First, always prioritize safety. Before you begin, make sure your car is on a flat surface with the parking brake firmly set. It's crucial to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid. Remember to disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid any electrical issues. Now, let's locate your battery. For the Infiniti Q50, it's conveniently placed in the trunk, specifically on the right-hand side. You'll need to lift the trunk floor cover and then carefully remove the plastic trim panel that conceals the battery. Grab a 10mm wrench to loosen the nuts on both the positive and negative battery terminals. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Be aware that car batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with care. Once it's out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps with a wire brush. This ensures a good connection for your new battery. Then, gently place the new battery into the tray. For the final steps, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are tightened securely to prevent any loose contacts or power issues. Once everything is connected, close up the trunk panels. Then, start your Infiniti Q50 to confirm that the new battery is working perfectly and your car powers on without a hitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.